Improve your spoken English by listening and practicing these questions and answers.
How was your day?
I got tired due to much hectic routine of my job.
What job do you do?
I am an Amazon expert.
How many hours did you work?
I worked almost 5 to 6 hours.
Why does your head itch all the time?
Because I have lice in my head.
Don't you take care of yourself?
I don't find enough time to take care of myself.
How much do you earn in one day?
I earn peanuts. I am always in crises.
Do you have any problems?
Yes, I have many problems.
How can your problems be solved?
All problems can be solved by money.
How much water do you drink daily?
I drink almost 2 to 3 liters per day.
A film or series you wish you were a part of?
I wish I was a part of Barbie movie.
What is the most expensive thing you have ever bought?
I think the most expensive thing I bought is my bag.
What is your happy place?
My home is my happy place.
Can you give a beauty advice?
Wash your face before sleeping.
A fashion hack you have recently discovered?
Wear designs that are made according to your body shape.
Do you prefer city life or village life?
I prefer city life because there are more opportunities to earn money.
Are you an honest person?
Yes, but sometimes I don't show honesty.
In which department do you work?
I work in sales department.
Are you happy with your life?
Yes, I am too satisfied with my life.
What is your room number?
I live in room number 80.
Where is the canteen?
The canteen is down the stairs.
My cat died yesterday.
I am so sorry to hear that.
It's all my mistake.
Please don't blame yourself.
Can we have a dinner tonight together?
Yes, I would love to have a dinner with you.
Do you have any idea?
No, I don't have any idea.
Whose cell phone is this?
This is Tarek's cell phone.
Where is your house?
My house is on next street.
Do you have any car?
No, I don't have my own car.
How do you travel to your workplace?
I go to workplace by public transport.
Can you lend me some money?
I am sorry I don't have extra money to lend you.
Can I help you?
No, I don't want help. Thank you so much.
Will you make a deal with me?
What type of deal do you want?
I want a business deal. We will grow together as partners.
It sounds good, but I will think about it.
How do the stars appear in the sky?
The stars appear in the groups of 2s and 3s.
Do you like to see sky full of stars?
Yes, I feel excited to see sky full of stars.
Can you give me a pen?
Yes, take this.
Will you please take a side?
Please, wait a second.
Please don't disturb me. I have a lot of work to do.
First tell me that what should I wear on tonight's party?
Wear what your heart desires.
But I want your opinion.
You should wear a decent and elegant dress by Zara.
Okay, thanks for your advice.
What should I order for dinner today?
You should make today's dinner by yourself.
You know I am not very good at cooking.
But if you will try, you will be succeeded in the last.
Who is knocking at the door?
I think it's Emily. She came to meet me.
Do you love to play with children?
Yes, I enjoy to play with them.
What is your favorite color?
Pink is my favorite color. I want my everything pink.
Wow, I am happy to hear that.
Thank you. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.